Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So today it's a Father's Day, and if you want to create this type of picture on a Father's Day, you just need yours and your father face image, and no need of full pictures or anything, just a face picture is needed. So to create this type of image, you have to open ChatGPT, and here you have to upload yours and your father's image. That can be a face or a full, whatever is there, and you need to paste this prompt. So how to get this prompt, I will tell you. After pasting this prompt, here you can see the image is generated. Okay, so to get this prompt, you can go to my Instagram account. Here, if you go to a second slide, you will see this prompt, or else you can comment as a prompt in this post. I will DM you instantly. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.